How about that nasty son of a bitch? The Southwest Spray Lines getting her done. About 3 o'clock, June 13th. Jeez. Okay, y'all, that was 3:06 in the afternoon. When Southwest Spray Lines came through with that trail right there, you can see. So because I'm under toxic death here, I forgot to check, see what time it is now, but I'll put it in a little thing in this video, just so you can see the difference and what the hell one douche by Southwest Spray Lines did. I'm gonna guess it's a little after 4, but like I say, I'll put it in I'll put it here on the screen for you. Yeah, guess you're being sprayed like a bug. Aftermath. Southwest Spray Lines. Okay, y'all, it was 15:29, 28 or so when I took that second video of Southwest Spray Lines. So now look at it. Look at that bullshit. Oh, you guys. Oh, we got somebody spraying there. Shit. I hadn't checked the radar. Well, let's just put you on the old tripod. Where are you, little sneaky weasel, son of a bitch? Pretty hazy up there. There you are. Yeah, that ain't your nice old school Wyoming blue sky. Ooh, that looks like a military contractor or maybe a Weather Modification International plane. We'll see if they're on radar or not. Doing a light dump, means some potent sauce. Oh yeah, so yeah, he just came through Southwest mess. Yeah, they left a mess, big time. Sorry that was shaky. You can see he's heading through the little chem shit cloud there. Solar shield there. Southwest Spray Lines disaster piece with frequencies, I might add. Yeah, because those are just totally normal. Alright. Okay, that was a military contractor. Or military. They were at 44,000 feet or so, almost 45. Alright. Write that down.